Here's a quick tip: when you go into a restroom and you have a commode that something's wrong with it and it will not flush, it's not stopped up, but it just will not flush. And you do not want to work on that commode when it's full of mess entity. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy tip on how to flush that commode where it will have fresh water in it where you can work on it. What do you do when you have a commode that will not flush? Water's on, but commode does not flush and it needs maintenance. How do you flush it? Because you don't want to work with that mess. Just some shit. Took a 5-gallon bucket of water, pour it down, she'll flush. Now, you can replace the flush valve on whatever needs to be done. Would you like to see that one more time? Just a good little trick. That way you don't have to smell and all that stuff when you're working in the commode. Yeah. Have a great day.